All right, guys, today we are gonna talk about the old, almost have become antique, what we call floppy disks. Okay, they used to come in many colors. Okay, and they had a very small amount of storage capacity. Okay, the regular double densities had 1.0 megabytes. Okay, and the high density capacities, they got 1.4 megabytes, right? And you needed a floppy drive to be able to use this. Okay, see. We are not going to open this today. We'll just open the floppy, but I'm just showing the floppy disk drive as well. And we used to have a specially designed cases to stack them up, right? And we had labels to stick on it and then write what the data, we stored on this, like this, for example, see? So let's open one and see the inside. See this slice, okay? See that? And this is the magnetic data storage part in it, okay? And this floppy disk comes with a switch, all right? And to protect the data, so it has two modes, read data or read and write data. Right now, this is, let me see, this doesn't have the symbol on it. Let me see if it has, yep. You see the lock, open and close. When this is open right now, that means you can read and write. But if you, it's not that easy now. Okay, you see now, no, you no longer can write into the disk. That means you can just read the data, but you cannot delete or modify the data in it. Okay, let's let's open it and see how the inside looks. I'm being careful. I don't want to destroy it. This is where the actual data is stored, okay? So, regular magnetic tape, okay? It's very flexible, and it's very fragile too, okay? It can be easily scratched, so damaged. See the inside? This is the one side of the plastic cover. Okay. See this soft, I think it's a kind of paper, soft cloth that protects the magnetic tape from being scratched, because as we said, it's scratchable. It's easily can be scratched. Okay. Anyway, let's keep it. This was the switch. This was the sliding mechanism. You see, small. All right. So that's it. It's a very simple design, and it was heavily used years ago. Now, but still it's being used. Now there's a floppy drive, as you could recognize, has become the icon for save. You know, it's called save icon basically in all even modern day applications. We are done. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.